This is Chamoru History in a Minute from Fernand. Ferdinand Magellan is known in history as a great figure and explorer for leading the first known voyage around the world. But we Chamorros in the Marianas see him differently. When Magellan came to Guam, his crew was starving and sick, eating sawdust and maggots. The Chamorro people gave them food and water. Magellan and his men gave nothing in return. When Chamorros went aboard to take something in trade, they were fired upon. Magellan and his men then went ashore and killed some Chamorros and burnt a village in retaliation. After seeing the brutality of the Europeans, the Chamorros chased away Magellan in a fleet of canoes. Subscribe to Fanatsu for more Chamorro history, language, culture, and music.